Poker Trainer McCall. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up some random sets, just sets that I'm missing a lot of cards from. It's going to be Astral Radiance, Lost Origin, Silver Tempest, Paradox Rift, as well as Temporal Forces. I don't know why I'm having a hard time saying that, but whatever. Basically, the reason why I picked these sets was if I can't buy, if the missing cards amount to $100 or less, then obviously I'm not going to get it because I can buy the cards for the $100. But yeah, without further ado, let's open these up. So kind of going in order here. So Astral Radiance will be first, and then it's going to be 8 packs each, so 5 sets, that's 40 cards, packs altogether. Wait. Alright. Featherball, Hippowdon, Energy Lotto, Mischievous, Barboach, Pawniard, Eevee, Heracross, Yanma, ooh, and a Zissou trainer card. Okay. Code card for that. So next video should be, yeah, it definitely will be, the Twilight Masquerade. Because I should be getting booster boxes in tomorrow, and so I'll start kind of recording a little bit. Gapjaw Bog, Magneton, Poochyena, Swinub, Quillfish, Petalil, Nickit, Hippowdon, and Hisuian Overquill, non-hollow. Code card for that. And, oh man, I'll tell you what. From what I'm hearing, these Twilight Masquerade is worse on hits than all the other sets. It seems like Pokemon, they take one step forward, but then 2 steps back. I mean, obviously, don't make it easy like Obsidian Flames, but don't make it crazy hard. Like, freaking, maybe not as hard as Evolving Skies, but it's like, it's up there. Wishcash, Temple of Shino, Ursaring, Psyduck, Togepi, Magnemite, Ralts, Sneasel, ooh, Shadow Rider, Calyrex, Trainer Gallery card, very nice, and an Ursaluna. Because, yeah, so, I mean, with that, it got, like, the double hitter started with Brilliant Stars, so I think that was probably the best thing right there. And it's just like, oh, another reason why, the reason why I didn't have Brilliant Stars is because I'm only missing 2 cards, so might as well just buy those 2 cards. I mean, they're big cards, but still. But anyways, don't have it as crazy, like, it was Danny Phantom, and I think he was at, what was it? 1,236 packs, and he was missing 1 card. That's just crazy. I mean, well, actually, I think it was 2,330. I don't know, but still, like, between 1,000 to 1,500, 1,500 booster packs, I think, should be, you know, the average. I don't know though. Mantine. Voltorb, Mischievous, and a Leafeon, non-hollow. Code card for that. I don't know though. Definitely not complaining. It's just like, I want to be able to pull the sets. I don't want to trade a lot of it, but I guess, I don't know if they're just trying to put that into kind of like, oh, well, it's also a trading card game as well, kind of thing. I don't know. Sweet Honey, Canceling Cologne, Piloswine, Bronzor, Roulette, Oswalt, Scyther, Stantler, Drifloon, and a Glaceon, Non-hollow. Very nice. 2 evolutions in a row. Cool, bro. And then let's see. So basically, what I'm gonna probably do, since there's kind of probably gonna be dry, in around July timeframe, August, at least from what I'm seeing. What I'm gonna be doing is kind of like a versus month. So like they're gonna be very short videos because I'm only gonna be opening up a product, but it's gonna be a mystery pack verse month. Some of them will be from Poketubers, if I can find them all. And then just mystery packs from like Amazon and then Walmart and then some other places. I'm still trying to figure that out. Cricketop, Stantler, Quillfish, Scyther, super effective glasses, and a Regieleki holographic. But yeah, so I'm probably about 50 to 60% at that point. Yeah. Do not miss the color coded code cards being a factor. Gutsy Pickaxe, DeWalt, Growlithe, Birdmite, Rufflet, Chatot, Bonita, Golduck, and an Arcanine, non-hollow. Man. Code card. It's not horrible. 2 packs. 2 hits out of 8 packs. Probably officially, unless I get something in the reverse slot. Choi, like maybe the Machamp. I don't know if that's even possible, or if it's going to be in the rare. Rowlet, nope, it's not possible. Bronzor, Oshwalt, Ponyta. Oh, come on, and a Regice holographic or non-hollow. So we got a Reggie, and then 2 evolutions. Cool. In a row. Now off to Lost Origin. I gotta look up. What was like the main card for Lost Origin? Oh, nope. Okay. Giratina and Aerodactyl are big ones. And my phone keeps on going off. I don't know why. Bad phone. Alright, so Giratina and Aerodactyl. But I'm missing 4 cards, but they are some pretty big cards. Yeah. Stunfisk, Bronzong, Coloris's Experiment, Horsey, Meditite, Shellos, Mienfoo, Litleo, Dottler, and a Berserker. Card. So I don't know. I might be completely wrong. I'm like, is it in the reverse slot? But I think it is in the reverse slot. Like the big ones, like the big hitters. Oh. Okay. Colress's Experiment, Lost City, Swanna, Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma, Tynamo, Litleo, Squirvit, man, Dugong, non-hollow. I keep on forgetting to buy one of those, like, I don't know if you've noticed, like, if you go to the bank and the banker is giving you cash, they have that little, like, a sponge, water sponge thing right here. Okay, so hopefully me kind of breaking those apart will make it easier, but Bombsnow, Damage Pump, Viper, Murkrow, Shuppet, Wurmple, Dynamo, C-Dot, Snorlax, Trainer Gallery, very nice. And okay, a Snorlax holographic, very nice. 2 Snorlaxes in a row. Cool. Sadly, not getting any cards that I need. That I don't even think I got. Oh, wait. That was Astral Radiance. So, Astral. I don't think I need Zishu. No. No Zishu. I need. Kamado was the trainer I need, and then I don't need any trainer galleries. But yeah. Oh, the white code card. It hurts the soul. Komala, Thornton, Bronzong, Makoita, Bronzor, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish. Ooh, Radiant Steelix. Very nice. And a Parasect, non-hollow. Code card. Let's see if I can just... Ah, dang it. So it's... I got to do it. Forget it. I'm going to see if I can try to not see it, but just forget about it. It's over. Mirage Gate, Cascoon, Ambipom, Inkay, Basculin, Phantom, Makuita, Electrike, Politoed. It's always that. Gudra, V-Star. There we go. Code card. Like, whenever I go out, like, if I let my yard grow a little bit, if, like, any of the weeds or grass touches my ankles or my legs, I'm always thinking that there's going to be a tick on it, because a lot of times there are. It drives me crazy. Bombasnow, Lost City. Man, I've had a lot of liquid. I don't know what's going on with my fingers. Zora, Paris, Inkay, Basculin, Jinx, Hariyama, Mancentric, non-hollow. Alright, so Lost Origin is winning with 4 hits. Well, yeah, 4 hits. But I think the Shadow Rider Calrex is like, well, maybe it's not. I'm thinking it's like a few dollars. But I don't. Maybe not. Okay, no, it's about 5. So okay. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I did this yet. I don't think I did. Luminion, Wind Up Barm, Machoke, Inkay, Blipbug, Finian, Spinarak, Paris, Pikachu. Man, it's just... Buffalot, non-hollow. Code card. I don't know why. See, I don't know. Last Lost Origin pack, then it's Silver Tempest. Of course, with Silver Tempest, I'm going for the Lugia again, because I did end up selling that by accident, because I wasn't thinking. It's like, oh no, yeah, I got it, and then I have an extra one, and yeah, I did have an extra one. Binnacle, Porygon, Ducklet, Blipbug, Fanian, Shuppet, and Kingdra holographic. Code card. Silver Tempest. Silver Tempest. Silver Tempest. Yeah, 4 cards. But the Lugia is worth $200. Oh dang! I didn't realize it went up that much. Last time I actually looked at the Lugia it was at like 126, I think. It's probably been a while. Honchkrow, Ninetales, Leafy Camo Poncho, Ferroseed, Smeargle, Esper, Dratini, Chinchou, Baraxian, and a Cobalion non-hollow. Code card for that. But besides that, I need Wallace Trainer, Rainbow Seviper, I'm sorry, Superior, and Rainbow Regieleki. Regieleki? Yeah, Regieleki. So we'll see. Brandon, Altaria, Fletchlander, Meditite, Durant, Ralts, Fletchling, Dratini, Noivern, and... Oh! Dang it! Regidrago. Wrong Reggie. But close. Dang it! Oh, that was so close. Oh, that sucks. Freaking Reggie. Regidrago, you just failed me. Duosion, V-Guard Energy, Hypno, Beldum, Stunfisk, Vulpix, Snorunt, Fletchling, Sandile, and a Medicham Holographic. Code card for that. Dang. I want to flip Regidrago off so bad. It's like, how dare you get my hopes up. Venomoth, Wallace, it's just teasing me now, Jinx, Growlithe, Mischievous, Whalmer, Murkrow, Emolga, Donphan, and an Ursaluna V. Oh. Up. So far, Lost Origin is winning with 4. It's not really a competition, but still, I think it is. So 2 for 2. So it'd be awesome if this was an error pack and the white code card had nothing to do with it, but it probably does. Serena, Red Regenerative Energy, Litten, Rufflet, Fennekin, Durant, Emolga, Wallace, and a Bravery non-hollow. Code card for that. Then I totally forgot the next set, not Twilight Masquerade, but the one after it is a special set. So 100 booster packs opening is gonna 100 booster pack opening is happening with that. I'm trying to figure out whether I'm probably gonna do it online or live. I don't know. Dragonair, Halucha, Relicanth, Rufflet, Vulpix, Drowsy, ooh, Fluffy, Trainer Gallery, okay, and Fione, non-hollow. Probably just gonna do it on my Twitch because I have to pay extra to do it simultaneously on YouTube. So, yeah. Ferroside Girl, Donphan, Baraxian, Clink, Whalmer, Dratini, Phoebus, Fampi, Halucha, and a Noivern non-hollow. Code card for that. And last pack for Silver Tempest. And it has to be a white code card. Oh, that's just horrible. Serena, Sigilyph, Gym Trainer, Solaris, Zubat, Elgin, Fungus, Sandagast, Lilligant, and an Armaldo holographic. Or non-hollow. Code card. Alright, so Paradox Rift. With this, I need 5 cards, right? Yeah. Paradox Rift is kind of up in the air because I got the ETB for it cheap, so yeah. Got Groudon, Gossifleur EX, SIR, Tapu Koko, SIR, Altaria EX, SIR, and Parasol Lady SIR. So, missing 4 SIRs. That sucks. Yeah. I think this is the... I mean, I probably could have, but, I mean, it was only $25, so it was like, whatever. Might as well. Oh, man, my eyeball. Oh, I don't need to do any tricks. Okay. Wiglet, Gligar, Blipbug, Fuecoco, Earthworm, Professor Turo's Scenario, Minshew, Zubat, ooh, Joltik, very nice, and a Steelix holographic. There's code card. The first set that started the downfall of multiple hits was Paradox Rift. Octillery, Golbat, Larry, Mela, Minier, Dondozo, Doublade, Natu, Palkia, holographic. Code card for that. So, I think the hits so far that are my favorite, it's got to be the Zissou and Calyrex. And the Snorlax. The Goodra, that's just like that's a joke card. And Regidrago is just, I just want to flip that card off. Honedge, Horsey, Joltik, Rika, Gorchist, Professor Sada's Vitality, Toadscroll. Oh, what is this? TMD Evolution. Ooh, Sandy Shocks EX. Up until recently, I needed this, but traded for it. Okay. There's a code card. Okay. So we're looking at 2 hits. So we got 2, 4, 3, 2. Yamask, Surskit, Whismur, Flamigo, Veluza, TM Blindside, Crocolar, Aegislash, Gabite, Zekrom, holographic. There's code card. Okay, not bad. That's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 packs. Or 11 hits. Natu, Remoraid, Pumpkaboo, Zubat, Tatsugiri, Dondozo, Tulip, Flamigo, Simsear, Frostlass EX. Very nice. Code card. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 out of almost, what is it? 30, well, 35. Well, wait. Yeah, 35 packs. Porygon, Seadra, Magby, Vanillite, TM Evolution, VanillaX, Defiance Vest, Dweeble, Tingatink, Volcanion, Holographic. There's the code card. So, yeah. Gimmighoul, Purloin, Meanfu, Ferroseed, Veluza, Chantal, Garbodor, Mela, Iron Jugulis, and a Chiyu holographic. Code card. And then the last pack for Paradox Rift. We get one more hit. Can we tie with Lost Origin? That's the question. Oricorio, Swablu, Pansear, Nickit, Durant, TM Turbo Energize, Luxtria, Plusle, Liepard, and a Tinglu holographic. So we weren't able to catch up to Lost Origin with that. Alright. Last pack, or last set, is Temporal Forces. Can it tie or beat Lost Origins? That is the question. C-Dot? Oop. With this, I'm missing quite a few. Okay, so I'm missing 8 cards. Iron Leaves, Walking Wake, Iron Boulder, Bianca's Devotion, Airy, and Morty's Conviction are the SIRs. Charge-a-Bug is the IR, and the Iron Leaves EX Gold card is what I'm missing. So, yeah. Deerling, Pidove, Airy, Scentiscorch, Buddy Buddy Puffin, Girafarig, Carvana, Bramblegast, holographic. Up. Code card. I don't know why these cards are sticking. Torcat, Grubbin, Frostmoth, Noctowl, Reniculus, Explorer's Guidance, Latias, Pineco, Rapska, and a Feraligatr holographic. Not looking good for the hits. Watch, we won't get any hits. Oh, man. It's like, yep, that sounds about right. Oh, boy. Oh, I think I saw something. Pineco, Mawile, Meditite, Turtonator. Man, just absorb. Don't absorb that quickly. Iron Hands, Boxed Order, Ribombee, Reboot Pod. Darn it. It has to be the cheapest one. Frostmoth, and a Whimsicott, holographic. Can't be Prime Catcher. I think I've gotten 2 Prime Catcher, and I've opened up so many Temporal Forces since then. I've gotten a lot of Ace cards as well. Have not gotten another Prime Catcher. That's crazy. Croconaw, Licky, Metang, Carkol, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Iron Treads, Lycanroc, Tranquil, Roserade, and a Drampa holographic. Code card. Can we, out of these 4 packs that we have, can we get at least 2 more hits? Or is this gonna be the worst set that get hits on? Beldum, Heatmore, Roly-Poly, Future Booster Energy Capsule, Iron Hands, Rescue Board, Sizzlypede, Mawile, and a Miraidon holographic. It's definitely looking that way. Definitely looking that way. Grodel, Finizen, Bronzor, Mightyena, Buddy Buddy Poffin, Delcatty, Future Booster Energy Capsule, Colossal, Keldeo, and a Fluttermane holographic. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Might be the worst. That's crazy. I mean, if we at least don't get one more hit, that's just bad. Yamper, Grubbin, Metachan, Sandy Shocks, Hand Trimmer, Rapska, Ghastly, Hoothoot, and Gouging Fire. Alright, so we got 2 hits, so there's at least that. The code card. And let's see, we've definitely tied with Astral Radiance, but can we tie with... The only way we could tie with Lost Origin is if we get the double hitter, which is probably one out of maybe 25 to 50 packs, I'm thinking. Because it definitely happened. I've had it happen to me a couple times, but I opened up a lot of cards, or a lot of packs. We'll see. Duosion, Haunter, Pikachu, Ghastly, Iron Hands, Heavy Baton, Mist Energy, Bronzong, Perilous Jungle, and, yep, Koraidon holographic. That was just painful. There's the code card. All right, well, we out of the 40 packs, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 hits out of 40. Probably would have like 16 hits, but I mean, can't really complain. Hope you like this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.